Enjoy Wrongs here, and today we're doing a crystal opening that I said in the last video. So I've got my stepbrother with me again, and we're going to be opening some free crystals. Don't know why I saved those. An alliance crystal, some arena crystals, and
one premium.
And a premium. Maybe a daily if it pops up by the time we get to the crystals. Oh, I got an itchy nose.
Sully Hut, yeah. Hey, it's Sully's backup account. She's got another one.
Oh. Check out xnocomics.com. So shout out to SBS. See who else wants one. Anyone else? Stay on here for a couple more seconds. And what the hell are you up to?
TCD Gaming sucks my nuts. And
shout out to M-Train. You are right now. Oh, it says step 3, click subscribe, because he didn't know how to subscribe and he asked me. So yeah. Oh, my wrist just clicked. And my toe. Okay, let's just go and open these crystals, because we don't have long. So I'm just going to hit open on these. Don't know what I'm going to get. It's going to be good for the group quests that I'm bringing you. Anything else? Oh, my daily's not here. So I'll save up the daily crystals. Open my alliance crystal. See what we get. Wouldn't mind duping my 3-star again. Also wouldn't mind the 4-star. XP boost. I don't have the sound on today, because it was a bit loud in the last video. What should we open next? The arenas or the premium?
Arenas. Arena.
Don't know what I'm going to get out of these, but I'll spin them. First up on the show. And as always, I get gold.
Not bad, because you need gold to rank up.
Yeah. Stop it there. More gold, of course. Well, give me some units. Units. It'll probably give me gold. Yep. Last one. There goes Punisher. Still there. Units, units, units. Come on. Nope, gold. So we only got gold out of that. So.
You got 16,000 gold. That's not bad. Hey, bro.
Okay, we'll go open up that premium. Something good, please. Need something good. Wouldn't mind a Moon Knight. Hopefully I get a new character. Ah, 2-star magic. That wasn't good.
You should get the shards.
Yeah, that's true. Well, see you guys.